looks like in the shower, right? See how dark it is up there? Now, let me just step inside. Yep, you guys are in the shower with me. Wow, I didn't think that was gonna happen, right? All right, so look at, this is what it looks like while you're in the shower. See, the camera is a little darker than reality, but not by much. It's dark in here. So now, with that said, what is it like with the new light on? Yeah. Look at that. Strobing because it's LED. But now look down. So believe me, this shower is easily 3 times brighter than what it looks like on camera when you're looking down. So you can actually see all around here. Now let me turn it off again. Just give you an idea. Here's the wall. You see how much darker that is? It's a big difference. So for 20-something dollars, you know, 2 screws, you tack it in, couple C batteries, and it says it's supposed to last for 30,000 hours. Heck, I don't care if it's a third of that. You know, C batteries aren't that bad, especially when you don't have any light. And guess what? I didn't have to call any electrician in to, you know, run wires over to that light or something and all this other kind of stuff, or try to DIY it on a weekend. I just ordered it on Amazon, put it in within 3 minutes, and then you're done. So I think this is a really great product. You can tell it makes a huge difference, a huge difference. I mean, look at that. Here, I'll do it one more time. Quick look at the remote. Pretty simple. You just got the on the left, off on the right. You got your color change, so I can show you that in a second. You know, the dimming and motion sensor, just have that off all the time. I heard it didn't really work that well, plus I just want it on as long as I'm in there. And then you got a timer, which is great, so you can kind of set it for 30 minutes, take your shower, and even if you forget, then it turns off. So let me just show you the color real quick. So nice warm white, and then like a bright LED white. And in case you're wondering, watch, I'm on the outside. Turned on. On the outside, turned off. So it will even work in different spaces. You'll have no problem using it outside or anywhere in your bathroom. And say hi to my little kitty there. All right, and for the final test, by itself. So dark in the rest of the bathroom, but that is bright, right? Look at that. All right, so if you appreciated this video, be sure to hit that like button, just smash it real quick for me, and the subscribe button down below. Be sure to support SK Lifestyle. Leave comments. Do you have something like this? Do you think it'll be helpful for you? Everyone will certainly be interested, as will I, and you already know SK will always get back to you. So I appreciate it. See you on the next video.